If you want to set up the bedtime mode on Google Pixel 11, then first of all, we need to go to Settings. Now here in Settings, you should be able to find the Modes option. So let's go ahead and open this, and then you can find the bedtime mode in here. Now we should be able to tap on the Setup a Bedtime button to, of course, activate it. And here we have the automation straight away. So we have a routine which we can customize, so you can decide when the bedtime mode should start and when it should end. And also you can choose days of the week during which the bedtime mode should be automatically activated. And you can also simply set the bedtime routine to none, for example. And here we can find some additional options, but let's go back to the modes actually. So we can easily deactivate the bedtime routine as well. As you can see, we can completely disable the bedtime routine here, and we can re-enable it. And if the routine is enabled, then you can actually turn it on or turn it off by tapping on the switcher. Besides that, we can find some additional settings, like, for example, notification filters, and you can choose what apps and who can interrupt you during the bedtime mode. And also we have more settings where we have display settings, like, for example, the grayscale. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.